What's up, guys? We're live up here today. I'm just taking my puppy for a walk again. Say hi, Rocky. You're a good boy. And so remember that video I made where I heard the strange noise. I'm just gonna kind of investigate, see what it is. I remember I asked my neighbor Stone last time, but I also heard that noise in the woods. And investigate a little bit, see if I can find anything else out. I don't know. Alright, well, anyways, I'm just gonna head over down to the end of the road. We have like a little turnaround section. It's like a big open circular section at the end of our road. I'm just gonna head down there and then I'll come back, guys. Alright? Alright, guys, so we're at the turnaround. Well, just about at the turnaround. I'm gonna let Rocky off his leash and then I'm gonna go and down to the woods where that trail was, and I'll see you guys there down the trail, and we're gonna try and investigate what that noise was, okay? Alright, guys, so Rocky's off his leash over there. Hey, buddy! Rocky! Hey, honeys! He's kind of camera shy, or doesn't really like looking at cameras, even if he's not doing anything. But we're here at the trail now, guys. It's called Chris Trail. There's a guy, his name is Kevin. He owns the land over here. He lives a few houses down the main road off of my road. So we're inside the trail, guys. I kind of live in the woods, but whatever. If you guys don't know where I live now, well, you guys can take a guess. I might tell you someday where I live. We do get quite a bit of snow here. Well, not horrible amounts, but you know. But yeah. So inside the woods, I want to see if you can hear that noise again. I can get like a helicopter going by. Just wait for them. So yeah, walking, the helicopter's still gone. Guess we can wait for them. Alright, guys, so the helicopter's just about gone. And I'm going through the trail. It's a long trail. Alright, I'll keep searching, guys. It's freaky a little bit. Still walking. It's not a horribly long trail, but like yesterday, I didn't really go down the trail that much. Oh, careful. It's another part of the trail. There's two trails that meet, but I don't know if I'm going to go down here. I want to get lost. I haven't really heard anything, so I don't know, this video's probably going to be kind of boring, I guess. I haven't seen anything. I guess I'll keep going. Still a little bit eerie, but whatever. Hear that humming bug noise. Rocky's probably waiting for us. It's been a while. I mean, I've been skipping, parts. I guess. I don't know. Kind of eerie down here. Not a horribly long trail, but I'll see if I can hear that noise again. Strange. I don't know. Probably get going out, I suppose. Maybe head down the other way, see what we can find. I don't know. I'm gonna try to see if I can head down to the trail and see if I hear anything, because we may have been the wrong trail. Alright, guys, so the Leah trail, the other trail I was talking about, their brother and sister, Chris and Leah, I guess it's a family. It's way back there, and I want to backtrack, so Alright, come here! Alright, Rocky. There's another trail here I haven't been on for a while. I don't really go down it very much, but I thought I heard something over here, so let's check it out. Hello? Did you guys hear that? Here, Rocky. Is there like an animal here or something? Kind of freaked out. I think we're almost lost. Can't really tell what's going on here, guys. Alright. So I just went down the trail. Nothing's really there. I don't want to go too far because it's a long trail. So I'm heading back right now. I went away. I couldn't find anything, and it was a lot of walking, so don't want to show you guys because I don't really have anything to talk about. I guess we should probably head back to the turnaround now. Heard that strange noise. Probably an animal or something. I don't know. I guess we'll never know. This time they sound more squeakier and high pitched. Last time, I can't remember last time it was like louder, lower pitched. I don't know. Anyways, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna head back. I guess we'll never know. I don't think I'm gonna do another video on this because I really need to. Probably just some animal or someone. I don't think anyone's out here. You never know though. Rocky! Come here, buddy! He's over there somewhere. Whoa, careful. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna head out to the turnaround. Alright, guys, so the lighting might be a little bit better here. I mean, worse here, not better, sorry, guys. I don't know what I just meant to say. But the lighting might be a bit bad here because it's so sunny. I can't really see the camera. So actually, you know what? I think I'm just heading to shade, but we're back here at the turnaround. You guys can see it kind of. Might just stay in the shade. So strange humming noise. An airplane going by. But yeah, we're here. Because we never knew what that strange noise was. So hear that? I don't know. There's a lot of strange noises, but those noises were weird, guys. I don't know what they were. Like I said, guys, it's kind of freaky and strange. I don't know. Oh well, let's probably get rocking now. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll try to post more videos. Obviously, I'm going to post more videos. Post more videos like this. And probably my next video I'd like to do is, like I said, I think one of my videos we might do a slime challenge with my dad. Slime prank. We haven't done that yet, so we're going to have to someday. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please like the video, turn on the notifications, subscribe to Mr. Warrior Lollipop. Have a great day, guys, and stay in school. Goodbye, guys.